The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro with Element IQ system is a remarkable countertop oven that offers a multitude of cooking options. With its versatile functionality, you can roast, air fry, and dehydrate your favorite dishes. This oven incorporates super convection technology, which reduces cooking time by up to 30% compared to conventional ovens. Equipped with 13 cooking functions, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro ensures precise and even cooking. The Element IQ system, with its 6 independent quartz elements, intelligently distributes power to create an optimal cooking environment. This system also eliminates cold spots, guaranteeing thorough and consistent cooking results. One of the standout features of this oven is its air fry and dehydrate settings. By leveraging higher temperatures and super convection, you can replicate the crispy, golden texture of traditionally fried foods using minimal oil. Additionally, the dehydrate function allows you to preserve the flavors and nutrients of your favorite fruits, vegetables, and meats. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is designed with an extra-large capacity, accommodating up to 9 slices of bread or a 14-pound turkey. Its 2-speed convection fan provides greater cooking control, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect air frying, roasting, and dehydration results. With its LCD display, accessing the oven's smart functionality and cooking functions is effortless. The display also indicates when preheating is complete and automatically counts down the cooking time for convenience and precision. Overall, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro with Element IQ system offers exceptional versatility, efficiency, and functionality, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen.